Simmer down. Welcome back to Seagull's Mazda 323 channel for another update, installment, episode, whatever the heck you want to call it, for 2026. I'm going to call it the first episode of 2026 because we are trying to formalize the channel now, and I am filming out of the Big Gully Garage's office, as you can clearly see. And today's topic will be putting a dash back into your car after fixing it, whatever you may have needed to do. I had to fix a few little cracks, and I've also decided to reskin or refurbish that dash before putting it back in. So stick around for that weirdness. The instructions are pretty loose, but last month's video covered getting it out. So the instructions were probably a little bit better than today. But if you get stuck, hit me up on the page description. My email's there. Find me on Instagram for a chatty chat, or just, drop a comment in the video here. I'd probably respond pretty quickly, I'd say. Anyway, so enough of the chitty chat. We'll crack on with today's video. Oh, hang on a minute. I got a little too excited, because I did promise that I would be bringing in new topics to the channel. And today I am dropping a new segment, called People with 323s. I put out a request worldwide last year. Do you own an MX-3 or a 323? Send me a short video. I'll chuck it up in one of my videos. We're building a community of Mazda 323s. And I don't just want to limit it to Mazda 323s. People, if you've got a 121, a 626, a 929, you get at your big boy, Big Gully here, because I will put your video on my video, if that's what you want. Anyway, so I am bringing you today the first participant of People with 323s. And it's a good video, so stick around for that, because that'll be towards the end of this weird shit. All right, enough of my chitty mick chat. All right, so with the dash out of the car, and I've done a few repairs already, I've used Sikaflex Black. And the reason for that is that it has a little bit better binding and a little bit better heat resistance as well as the ability to sand it as well, so to get it nice and smooth. So I just applied that in there with a little razor blade and just scrape it in, let it dry, sand it back, and now we're at that stage where I'm going to do a wax and grease remove clean, and then I could probably get away with painting this and putting it back in, but I'd rather reline it with some adhesive felt, which I've chosen a black suede material, and I'm gonna reline this whole dash to make it look almost brand new. Okay, so this thing's ready for fitting back into the car, which is essentially just doing the exact reverse of pulling it out, which is a video I did last month. So if you need to reference anything, watch that. But if you've done it correctly, everything should be pre-labeled. So installing it's actually super easy. It's the easy bit. Another bit of advice is just make sure that all the air hosing that sits underneath the dash is connected now, because connecting it when this dash goes back in is very difficult, and I don't recommend that. So yeah, just make sure it's all fitted now and looking nice and neat, and it's good to go. And there you have it. One refurbished dashboard back in this old green heap. And I've only fitted some of the trim. I'm not going to put the glove box in because I'm going to sell that, and I'm going to fabricate a custom board to go across that. This one won't be running an air conditioning, so I will be selling the switch for that as well. So this is pretty much done. And now with this car, I've just got to drop an engine in it. The box is there. Cut half the roof off and fabricate a tray. Winning. All right, we're at that stage of the video now where I get to show you our, well, first new segment, people with 323s. Okay, this video comes from a young chap by the name of Almost Amiata. The Instagram handle is in his video, so hit him up, support him too. I think his little Mazda 323 Estina is actually pretty damn cool. Also coming with a carbureted engine, so you know that's given old Big Gully a massive tick of approval. So enjoy this video and stick around for next month because they're lining up these videos and they're getting pretty good. But I thought this would be a good way to start the year off anyway with the little Estina. So enjoy. Like, sub, subscribe, you know the dealio. Big Seagull's trying to reach 323 subscriptions. And if you're on the Instas or if you've been watching the other shorts of the channel, you'll see that I've got custom made 323 BG stickers that I will probably sell 10 pairs of very limited stickers, uber rare actually. The design's by me. So help me get to those subscription levels. We'll take it from there. I'll put these up for sale when I reach that target, and I'll communicate to you at a later date where you can buy them from.